Hare Krishna. So we are discussing from the 18th verse of the 4th chapter of Gita, wherein Krishna is again continuing in the section of what karma, vikarma and akarma is. That's what we have been seeing for some days, some shlokas as of now. He says, Karmani akarmanah yah pashyet pashyet akarmani cha karmayah sabuddhiman manushyeshu sayuktah kritsna karmakrit. One who sees inaction in action and action in inaction is intelligent among men, and he is in the transcendental position, although engaged in all sorts of activities. So we see, he says, Karmani akarmah yah pashyet. Someone who sees inaction in action. Akarmah, which means activity which will not generate result. So one who sees no result in an activity. What is this? This is Krishna consciousness. Yes. Activity which is done in order to please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Karmani akarmah yah pashyet. One who is seeing that although activity is there, but it is not generating result. And one who sees akarmani cha karma, just cessation of activities does not mean that there are no results being generated. Yes, we see that previously even mental activities were counted. Even today, whatever mentally we might think good gives us positive result, but mental negativities are not counted. In previous yugas, जो भी हम मन से पाप भी सोचेंगे, वो पाप भी कंसिडर होता था और उससे पाप कर्म की श्रृंखला चालू होती थी. So, just cessation of activities is not important. This is what we also learn previously in the second chapter, that it is only activity on the mental platform of thinking that ultimately will generate sins. Dhyayato vishayan punsah. Yes. So Prabhupada gives a very beautiful example. He gives the example of a person who is flying a kite. अगर कोई पतंग उड़ा रहा है तो हम देखते हैं वो व्यक्ति मांझा छोड़ता है और मांझे को पकड़ता है. मांझे को खींचना और मांझे को छोड़ना दोनों के लिए वो हाथ ऐसे ही कर रहा है. तो दूर से कोई देख रहा है व्यक्ति, उसके लिए लगेगा अरे ये ऐसे ही कर रहा है, पतंग ऊपर जा रही है, वो ऐसे ही कर रहा है, पतंग नीचे आ रही है. लेकिन दूर से देखते हुए व्यक्ति को एक्शन ऐसे ही दिखेंगे, लेकिन जो कर रहा है उसको पता है कि उड़ाने के लिए और नीचे खींचने के लिए दोनों का मैकेनिज्म एकदम अलग है. उसी प्रकार से कर्म क्या है, अकर्म क्या है, क्या जनरेट करेगा रिजल्ट, क्या नहीं जनरेट करेगा रिजल्ट, दूर से हम नहीं समझ सकते. कवयोपि अत्र मोहिता. Only someone who is flying a kite, he knows. Only someone who has set this system rolling, he knows. Who is the one who has set the system rolling? Krishna. Yes. Krishna, very beautifully, he gives us this concept. Aham sarvasya prabhavah matta sarvam pravartate. Aham adirhi devanam. Yes, Krishna says, matta parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya. Mai sarvamidam protam sutre maniganaiva. Bhokta ham yagya tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram suhruda sarvabhutanam. So many places, so many shlokas, Krishna is establishing his perfect authority as the master creator, master maintainer and master annihilator. So, who knows the way things are working? It is only Krishna. When we understand this, yes, and we want to abide by his instructions, that is where we see buddhimatta comes. That's where he says, sa buddhiman manushyeshu. Yes. बुद्धि ये नहीं है कि अरे जो काम कर रहा है वो बंध रहा है, जो नहीं काम कर रहा है वो नहीं बंध रहा. नहीं, काम करते हुए भी जो अलिप्त है और काम न करते हुए भी बद्ध है, इस भी अवस्थाओं को जानना ये भी बुद्धि है. He is कृत्स्न कर्मकृत. He is actually situated in transcendental action. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.